Bloomberg has a piece up about how DeFi has replaced the term blockchain as the must-have moniker if you're in the crypto space. DeFi is so hot right now that projects like Tron, EOS, and others are hastily rebranding themselves to claim a piece of the DeFi action. Quote, Nucleus Vision, a data sourcing project started in 2014 to provide consumer insights to retailers, recently announced that it's DeFi for retail purchase loans. Tau Network, which has been around since 2015, now states it's, quote, building DeFi of entertainment. Tron, an operating system active for at least 3 years, has issued its own DeFi coin. In many cases, the rebranding efforts are prompting a surge in token prices not seen since the peak of the Bitcoin bubble in late 2017. The market value of Tron's TRX coin, which is tied to a new DeFi token called Sun Genesis Mining, jumped by $800 million in the 3 days after the announcement of the new coin. Many projects are adding new features as well as rebranding. Project Nucleus Vision on August 3rd announced Nucleus Vision 2.0 that, quote, will aggregate existing DeFi lending protocols, partner with liquidity providers, and partner with global retailers and brands to enable crypto users to leverage their assets to buy real-world products, end quote. The venture's coin, whose market cap peaked at about $200 million in 2018, briefly spiked from $3 million to $8.3 million on the announcement before sliding down again, according to the crypto data tracker CoinMarketCap.com. Tron has been investing in the DeFi ecosystem for years and now has become one of the most popular blockchains that supports DeFi, a spokesperson said. EOS declined to comment, while Nucleus and Tau didn't return requests for comment. They kind of executed rhetorical pivots to DeFi rather than anything structurally changing, Carter said. There's nothing illegitimate about it, but some perceive it as trying to take advantage of the hype surrounding DeFi, end quote. Actually, I'm going to try to put together a weekend bonus episode to get us a crash course on what DeFi is. I want to be skeptical of it as yet another new hotness in a space that is often all hype and little substance. But at the same time, like I said the last time we discussed this, what if DeFi actually is the first practical application of the blockchain to gain traction and scale?